Church of St.George or Yorgi Church is located on Buyukada, the largest of the Princess Islands. It's a peaceful place at the top of the highest hill on the island. Once the ferry arrives at Buyukada, you can take an electric carriage or rent a bike and head to Unity Square. From Unity Square, it's a long, steep walk up the hill of about 1 kilometer. Without stopping, it takes about 15 to 25 minutes. There are benches along the way to sit, rest, and enjoy the views. It can be a tough walk, especially on a hot day, but also an enjoyable one. At the very top is the small Greek Orthodox Church of St. George. There has been a monastery on the same spot since 963 when the Byzantines ruled the city. A sign in front of the door reminds visitors to dress appropriately and be silent. The inside of the church is adorned with marble floors and beautiful old icons. This place isn't usually a priority for tourists, but it's a unique place to visit. The views from the hill are amazing. If the church is not enough to convince you to visit, there is a great restaurant run by a local Turkish family next to it. It has some of the best foods you can find in Istanbul. You order at the window and take a tray to one of the many picnic tables on the property. The views from up there are beautiful.